The Redmi K30 series phones have been around for a while now, and it's obvious that Xiaomi might bring its successor to the market soon. Expected to be called the Redmi K30, the phone has been confirmed to launch next month. Similar to the Redmi K20, the Redmi K30 is expected to bring the best of what Redmi has to offer at a price that's more affordable to the masses. There have been many speculations of what the Redmi K30 could bring, but for the first time we have been subjected to live photos of the phone. Courtesy of two posts on Weibo, the Redmi K30 prototype has been spotted undergoing certain tests. While the design of the phone can be commented on as it is under the thick casing, the display is visible and the information it's displaying reveals a lot. And it confirms some of the past rumors surrounding the Redmi K30. First of the big changes to the Redmi K series comes in the form of losing the pop-up camera. The Redmi K30 will have a dual hole punch cutout for the selfie cameras on the front, similar to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The display doesn't appear to have curved edges, but the corners have massive curves. The bezel seems to be very slim, similar to the Redmi K20. However, the photos reveal some of the specifications of the Redmi K30, and it seems like Xiaomi is taking the game to the likes of OnePlus and Asus in the premium smartphone segment. The Redmi K30 information page reveals the presence of a 120Hz refresh rate display. Xiaomi was rumored to bring a high refresh rate display, but the jump from 60Hz to 120Hz is baffling. Currently, only Asus offers a 120Hz display on the ROG Phone 2. OnePlus is also expected to debut 120Hz screens in the OnePlus 8 series, but it seems Xiaomi wants to outdo OnePlus this time. The display measures 6.66 inches with 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. The display is most likely to use an AMOLED screen, and it could also end up having an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Redmi K30 could most probably use the Snapdragon 730 or the Snapdragon 730G chipset, given that the listing states the presence of an Adreno 618 GPU. The Snapdragon 730G could be an ideal choice for the K30, given its premium positioning in the market. The Redmi K30 also appears to have a 64GB storage, which could be the base variant of the device. Xiaomi could couple this with 6GB RAM, but higher variants could offer up to 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, with the more RAM and storage reserved for the Redmi K30 Pro. The Redmi K30 is seen running on MIUI 11, which is obvious. It could most likely be based on Android 10, as Xiaomi has already updated the Redmi K20 series to Android 10 long ago. Though it is unconfirmed information, given the company confirms the launch for the Redmi K30 next month, we should keep our minds open.